I think when I came to IPA Physio, I was at my wit's end. I had 2 C-sections, and basically my therapist was like, the reality is you've got a ton of scar tissue in your body from having a sunroof cut into your uterus twice. I'd come home and be out for like 2 or 3 days because my lower back was shot and I couldn't stand up without making, old lady creaking sounds or these involuntary moans. So traditional physical therapy, is a lot of doing exercises, basic stretches, and this manual physical therapy is wild. It is unlike anything that I've ever done. The first session went in there with his fingers and was working on some of that scar tissue, releasing the fascia. I went from 3.5 finger widths separation in my ab to 2, and I felt the difference. And I was like, what sorcery is this? It was just a moment of feeling like, okay, there is hope. I'm not broken. I can get better. I can work with my body, and my body is not my enemy. One day, I feel like I could feel 100%. And that in and of itself was pure gold for me and worth coming back, worth investing in this type of therapy because I saw results. I knew that there was a way that I could be living, and so that was really exciting.